Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ali, as you know, and today we are going to unbox Aqara HomeKit enabled smart video doorbell. Why I got this doorbell? So the reason that I got this doorbell is I have Google Nest Hello for almost 3 years now. If you ring the doorbell, it rings on my all the Google Hellos, Google devices. It tells me that someone is at the door. But the biggest problem in my household is that me, my partner, everyone in the house has iPhone and iPads, and we are all in iOS. I was not able to add it into my ecosystem, in my home ecosystem, where everything is happening inside the home app. It shows you only last 3 hours. So if I'm busy at work, I have some long meetings, maybe 3 hours is gone and I don't even know what happened 3 hours before. If there was a bell and I didn't go check on it after 3 hours, I would not know who was at the door if I didn't. So that's why I thought, okay, let's go with Aqara doorbell. I actually have Aqara front lock as well, which I'm very happy with. I thought, okay, let's try with their doorbell as well. So that's why we are here. Let's get into it. So this is it has expandable storage. It has, I think, 7 days free cloud storage, which is, for me, is more than enough. So that was a big feature for me, which pushed me to buy this doorbell. And the Amazon Prime Day discounts also didn't help, and I just bought it. That okay, it's let me try this one. So let's open this baby up and set it up and see how it works as compared to the Nest Hello. So we have some manual here, and this is the device. Let's open it up. So one thing which is also available for Nest Hello is that both of these devices can be powered by the mains as your electrical outlet, or they can be powered by the batteries, by USB-C. So I believe there is a USB-C connection here which you can charge, and there is also connection which you can do. So on the front, it looks really nice. It has a big 2 circles, one with the doorbell, one with camera. It's pretty good actually. And this is the chime. So I'm not sure if it's gonna work with my existing chime or not, but this is the chime. I don't think that I'm gonna use the chime as much also, because then I'm assuming that all of my iOS devices will notify me that there is someone on the door, and that will make. Okay, there are some batteries. And there is a mount plate to have the doorbell at an angle if you need. And I think I got a similar one for my Nest Hello as well. I think one thing which I looked at is, okay, so that's pretty good. Okay, so I think this is everything what's in the box. I'm gonna get started on this, and let's get this installed and compare it against Nest Hello and see how the user interface and how it differs through as compared to Google Home versus HomeKit. I do pay for iCloud storage, so I believe if you pay for iCloud storage, it covers you for 7 days of video recording. So I'm definitely looking forward to testing that out. Also, I'm gonna test out the Aqara Home app and how that works with this doorbell. So stay tuned. you want a doorbell that works with HomeKit, then your choices are very limited. And Aqara G4 comes on top, and it's a very solid choice. Plus, you have the ability to still use the Aqara app, and you have the ability to store videos locally without paying for a cloud store subscription, which is, in my mind, it's a huge advantage. I always try to go for the items or the technology devices which are not subscription based. However, if you are after the best video quality and don't mind paying the subscription fee, then I think the Nest Hello still comes out on very up there, because it connects with all your Nest Mini speakers, and I really like how the Nest system works, but the subscription is something which pulled me away. I think I'm gonna stick with Aqara G4 at least for now. It covers the basics well, gives me the flexibility I need, and integrates smoothly into my smart home setup. If you're interested in more videos like this and how I use these devices, let me know in the comment section, and make sure to subscribe and like the videos. Thank you very much for enjoying this video. Have a good day.